Good morning and happy Friday. Today is Friday, April 17th, and this is your daily greeting video. Your precept for the day is, the goal of life is to make your heartbeat match the beat of the universe, to match your nature with nature. I love that one because it reminds me of camping. And finally, your agenda for the day. So today is the last day of week 3. Those of you guys that have come to the check-ins this week, I have shared with you guys this document that your teachers on 6A have, and we fill it out based off how much you have completed. So we fill it out twice during the week. So we do one kind of towards the beginning of the week and then on Thursday to give us a good idea of who is on track to get everything done by Friday. So I want to share that with you guys really quick. Okay, so this is that document that I shared with some of you guys. Obviously, I'm not sharing any names with you, but we have it. We have every single person on here, and we have them separated by homeroom, so we can organize you by homeroom, so I can easily see. So for example, kind of scroll where Miss Robass is right now. This is our homeroom. So if you have a red square, that means that you have not completed anything for that subject this week. If you have a yellow square, that means you have completed some, but not all. And then if you have green, that means you're done. For Thursday afternoon, I would hope that there would be a lot more green. So this is where we are at as of, I don't know, probably yesterday at 4:30, 5 o'clock would probably be the last time teachers put anything in. So if you've completed work since then maybe this will be updated. But just be aware that even if I only have you in my homeroom and ELA, that we are still communicating as a team and trying to keep this as kind of seamless and easy as possible for everyone. So that's why we're doing the check-ins through the homeroom. So I still have all this information. So that's why those check-ins are really important, because it allows me to tell you and give you feedback on where you're at. And you can also explain to me like, oh yeah, I just need to do this one last thing, or I'm really struggling and I don't get the math or whatever. What we definitely want to see too is ELA and math should be your focus. Those are your two kind of core classes. Targeted reading, science, and social studies, you might have noticed, have less work in them. And that is on purpose. We don't want you to be focusing too much on that, because the main subjects you want you to focus on are ELA and math. So that is that. Hopefully this turns way more green this afternoon, but just to make you guys all aware of kind of how we're tracking things. That's how. All right, next up on the agenda is to add your name or your scavenger hunt name thing to the Flipgrid. Right, and the topic for this is in our Rosales homeroom. So if you just do Rosales 2020, when you go to flipgrid.com, it'll bring you up. You'll have our book commercials, book snaps, and then this as well. So we have a couple so far, and they are super cool. So I really would love to see more of those in here. So take a little time today and get that turned in. Remember, there's some homework passes on the line for next week. So get those done. All right, finally, we have our live read aloud today at 10. Because we had Monday off, I have switched our Monday people to Friday. So hopefully that works for you guys. If not, it's okay. And I'll just meet with you on Monday. But otherwise, right after read aloud, I have scheduled Akash, Marcus, and Amory. And then after my office hours at 12:30, I have Tram and Tenzin. And then finally, our question of the day. It is a fun Friday day, so I just want you guys to post what you guys are going to do this weekend. It looks like it's finally going to warm up a little bit. I'm so excited. Maybe melt all this snow and get outside a little bit. And I think we were even going to try to pop up our camper and see what that looks like. You know, we can't go camping yet. But I look forward to seeing what you guys are all doing. So add to the discussion post, add your name to the Flipgrid, and then be sure to double, triple check all of your Schoology courses and make sure you have that checklist for week 3 complete. And then I'll see you guys again at Live Read Aloud today at 10. Bye.